on, you guys? My name is Ben Can, and today we're going to be going to... Whoa! Sorry about that. So yeah, we're going down to a car meet right now in Long Beach. It's a bunch of guys from Instagram, but you can see we're not in the Mustang, and that's because it's on a movie set right now. So we'll be picking that up in a couple days. For now, this is going to get us there, but it's not going to take us in style. But we'll see you guys there. So I just got to the meetup location. Everyone's pulling up, but it's still, we're waiting for a couple more people. But after this, we're gonna hit a cruise and then we're gonna go to another location. But there's a bunch of sick cars, so let's go check them out. We got Polo.
What's
Uber
up, guys?
Me around.
Oh yeah.
Since we don't have my car, but
the shittiest Uber ever.
or the loudest.
The loudest.
What's up?
We're in the wire.
Oh, what wire?
Ignition. All right, bro. Thank
Good
you.
luck.
Thank you.
Oh, dropping stuff. See you, man.
You guys know where you're going, right?
We hope so. Polo has a loose gas cap right now, so he just ran out. But we gotta go meet up with the rest of the guys. We fell so far behind.
So I found that issue out. So when I step on it, it'll like kind of spit. It's the gas cap. It's not good.
Made it.
All right, we made it. We actually made it on time. I thought we were late, but we ended up being actually super early to where no one was here yet.